it's Rachel with Fit29, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can get rid of your side fat. So if you want to get rid of that stubborn side fat, stay tuned for this video.
Perfect.
You want to make sure you keep your back completely flat while doing this exercise and that your butt is not too high, and you'll dip from left to right, engaging your core each time. This exercise will require some balance. You want to make sure that you're keeping your arm nice and strong and you are not locking your elbow. This clip should actually have been the first one, but bicycle crunches are the greatest oblique abdominal exercise that you can do, as it will work your internal and external obliques right where that side fat is. In this exercise, you'll work the same oblique abdominals as we did in the bicycle crunches. It's important that you're touching your yoga mat each time as you're twisting from left to right. And last but not least, we have the side crunches. So each exercise in this video will help get rid of that side fat because you're going to be working your oblique abdominals. So I wanted to provide a variation of exercises that you can do right at home. I encourage you to challenge yourself and complete 5 sets of each exercise for 45 seconds each, 3 times a week to give yourself the best results.